Hey guys, it's Shao here with another video. This time I'm going to be going over another has gotten a buff, and that's Jelluminous. It's gotten Tsunami this season, so now it has pretty really good coverage. So here I got HP and magical attack with the item jetpack and entangle as the trait. Basically we're trying to look for world terrors, look for griffins, just like any user that has takeout or hidden run. The only one that will be a problem will be Umashu, because that thing has water absorb, but any other pivot user, we're most going to be trying to to wall them, especially if it's Rotara or Griffin, because we can now hit them for super effective. So here, our Roar Flash, Thunder Strike, and Cycle for side other moves, or Thunder for stab, Cycle for our other coverage move, Hornet Headband, Sapphire, Pizza Slice. Trying to be bulky, but also we're trying to be bulky, that way we can tank hits. So if you do have any good magical attack, we just focus on our bulk side. So here next up we have Awaken Party Bug. It's gonna be the main thing that's have been helping us with the BD showcase. Be something newest prayer, Fire Fury, Cycle Force, March Man Fedora Veil Tears, Beach Ball, HP magical defense. Basically just trying to set up bees, heal our team, increase our damage output. Next up we have Morville here, who's going to be resisting our dark weakness. Also ground once our jetpack gets used. HP magical attack with use crayons. Crayons as our trait. Sleep Sport, Enlightenment, Sapphire, and Knife Sap and Cyptosol. We're trying to if we can try and put them to sleep and switch into Jelluminous. That way we have a clean switch. So hopefully we can do that. Next over here we have Garmantle with HP magical defense, Curse Cloak, talks about Night Night, Hidden Run, and Dispose. Trying to be our slow pivoter. That way, something faster than us, and we can counter with Jelluminous, but we don't want to take damage. We have Garmantle, who can help us with that. Deer Mask, Dark Brooch, and Beach Ball. Garmantle is like a good kind of like help teammate for Jelluminous. Resist Dark, immune to ground, and I think that's it. But yeah, we're trying to slow pivot with Garmantle, and here we have Rotara. Great right, shield attack, speed, confident, jet strike, hidden run, shatter, and pursue. With Smoking Hood, Dusted, and Amber Trap Fly. I do remember they changed Amber Trap Fly. I forgot about that, but Amber Trap Fly is still good, I would say. But alright, Rotara's gonna be here. If something's faster than us and we can kill it, we can probably switch into Jelluminous, or if something has something's gonna kill us the next turn, and Jelluminous can resist it, or any of our teammates. Rotara can be our fast pivot, and that's been the Lays Monto with HP defense, spiky thorns, battery charge. Could use the other trait that makes them has a 30% chance to paralyze, but by charge to increase our attack, increase our spark attack. Shock to P, Magnetize, Thunder Strike, Miracle Cannon, with Hornet Headband, Festival Bowl, and per tier. But yeah, that's a team. Hopefully we can get somewhat of a speed with Jelluminous. It's not that fast, but hopefully we can get some good battles with it. But let's hop into the first battle, shall we? Alright, hop into the first battle. Gonna have fun. Devil Mudfish, Insilinus, Swap Tar, Medicrow, Springling, and Jelluminous. Looks like we both have Jelluminous. Okay. I mean, I think you do pretty well. Thunder Strike, Aurora Flash, Aurora or Tsunami, and then Tsunami, or imagine this thing got caught up cold. That would be funny. I'm gonna start with Rotara. If they need springing, that's probably gonna be Entangling Vines, Determination Journey. And if so, I can hit and run going to Garmantle and just dispose next turn. nautical muffish. Okay, if it says something about that means it's hidden trait. It's not hidden trait, okay. Well, this thing's not that fast if I remember correctly, so I can just hit and run. Yeah, that's good damage. Alright, you're obviously gonna hit me with a water type move, so I'm just going to Morville. Oh, Icy Bite. Yeah, it's 4 times as effective, but also finish stab. Gonna need Morville to check whatchamacallit, Jelluminous. So let's switch it out. Icy Bite getting you up. The only thing is I don't know what that its trait is. Yeah, it's fine. Monitor I'm once gonna need for Springling. I am building defense and HP, so I should think here for me. You come in, okay. You're also gonna fireball, so I'll just go into Great Mantle. Yep. That's honestly fine. Here, I'm gonna be faster than it, I believe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be faster than it, so I'm just gonna hit run. Yeah, I'm faster than it. Here 92 speed, 99. So yeah, Jelluminous can outspeed it. I can go into you2. Jelluminous, I'll take some good. I just need to keep you. I guess I could go into Party Bug. Shit, oh, Venom Bite. Okay. I'm not gonna. I think I should pray. I should. No, I'm gonna know this prayer because I should tank it here. Oof, Bernie. Scorch. Oh. Also, you're not use crayons. And you use 2 different types of moves. It's gonna fireball me. I'm just gonna Fire Fury. Awaken Fire Fury. It had the button clicked. It was nearly clicked. I literally clicked Awaken. Did I not click Awaken? I swear I clicked Awaken. We basically have no ground immunity, so I should just be able to. Yeah, okay. I swear I clicked Awaken. Swap Tart. Oh, are you gonna have Dark Slash? Shadow should kill, right? Yep. Bum bum bum. Who's that? Oh, the Springling. Alright, I can hit a run here. Oh, it's faster than me. Oh well, I killed it. Well, this is basically game. I'm just going to join somebody going to make. Nope. Yeah, Psycho Force is stronger. They thought they were faster than me. Minus defense drop. Sad. Tsunami. They're gonna switch. Wrap. Okay. That was a crit. Alright, I should kill here with Tsunami then, right? Shock therapy. Ah, you. This is a stall, Jelluminous. So how much speed are you running then? Just not speed high. Minus defense drop. Minus defense drop. If I can get the defense drop, that'll be perfect. I'm no longer wrap. Oh no! I clicked too fast. I clicked too fast. Well, this sucks. There we go. I clicked too fast. This only has like 10 shock therapies, right? Should have been keeping count. Crit, 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 crit. Okay. Okay, I don't know how. I don't think I'm fast at Miracle. Oh well. Yeah. I'm just going to you. Shatter. You take it. Okay, yeah. GG's. I don't know why the awaken part but didn't go off, but I swear God I clicked it. Just did pretty well. Kinda misclicked at the end. But let's hop into the second battle, shall we? Alright, hop into the second battle, gonna have fun. Alright, they have okay, Janet is. How do you say this? I think that's Mass Comedy, Cryoterra, Exile, and Fruit Toad. Okay. Well, we can Thunderstrike you unless you awaken. Psycho Force you. Thunderstrike, Thunderstrike. I think no, you're light. So basically Thunderstrike and then Thunderstrike, but you're fast, so that's not gonna probably work out. I'm gonna lead off with Jelluminous. Okay, they're probably gonna self scream. They forgot to put. Alright. Yeah, that's AS Mass Comedy. Well, here I'm just gonna Psycho Force. If they attack me, I should be able to tank it because they're not honestly building that much. Oh, this is that. Which I lived. That was a crit too. Oh, now I get the crit. That sucks. What name? I don't think I'm faster than you. Yeah, I'm not faster than you. Meet Montour. Light Hook. Haha. Alright, here it's basically a free Thunderstrike. Even if they switch into Fruit Toad, which they don't. Okay. They don't die. Okay, I was about to say, if they don't die, then I can shock the repeat next turn and make them die from spiky thorns. Cryoterror comes out. That's tiny. You're probably awaken. Would be Tuning Coordinate, Serious Song, Hyper Voice, and Fire Fury would be your moves there. Oh, they switch, they double. I don't know why I'm here. Yeah, maybe not switching. I'm honestly faster than this thing because Mescami's not that fast overall. Yep, okay. Greedy, okay. Am I even Parbuck's not even awakened. Devour, that's gonna hurt you. I'm surprised you don't have rust. Alright, I'm just gonna shock therapy then. Fast food. Well, that's not priority. I mean, that's not. That's not. I meant to say that's not contact. I'm just gonna shock therapy again. Yeah. Devour. I sure would be able to take hit from either, from one of them. I think the biggest issue will be that cryo. Maybe. Who knows? Let's see if you die. Let's see if I die. Actually, Tsunami. Let me live. I got what I wished for. You're dead. Well, that means you're awakened, right? Yeah, if I remember correctly, awakens kind of fast. Nope. That was a crit. Monster just swept. I'll probably do a fourth battle. Yeah, I'm gonna do a fourth battle. Alright, let's hop into the next battle. Alright, hop into the second battle, gonna have fun. Alright, they have okay, Janet, how do you say this? I think that's Mass Comedy, Cryoterra, Exile, and Fruit Toad. Okay. Well, we can Thunderstrike you unless you awaken. Psycho Force you. Thunderstrike. I think no, you're light. So basically Thunderstrike and then Thunderstrike, but you're fast, so that's not gonna probably work out. I'm gonna lead off with Genism. Okay, they're probably gonna self-scream. They forgot to put. Alright. Yeah, that's AS Mass Comedy. Well, here I'm just gonna Psycho Force. If they attack me, I should be able to tank it, because they're not honestly building that much. Oh, this is that. Would you live? That was a crit too. Oh, now I get the crit? Well, that sucks. What name? I don't think I'm faster than you. Yeah, I'm not faster than you. Meet Montour. Light hook. Haha. Alright, here it's basically a free Thunder Strike. Even if they switch into Fruit Toad, which they don't. Okay. They don't die. Okay, that's what I say. If they don't die, then I can shock their repeat next turn and make them die from spiky thorns. Cryoterror comes out. That's tiny. You're popping the Awaken. Would be Tuning Coordinate, Serious Song, Hyper Voice, and Fire Fury would be your moves there. Oh, they switch, they double. I don't know why I'm here. Yeah, maybe not switching. I'm honestly faster than this thing because Mescami's not that fast overall. Yep, okay. Greedy, okay. Am I even Parbuck's not even Awaken. Devour. That's gonna hurt. You. I'm surprised you don't have Rust. Alright, I'm just gonna shock therapy then. Fast food. Well, that's not priority. I mean, that's not. That's not. I meant to say that's not contact. I'm just gonna shock therapy again. Yeah. Devour. I sure would be able to take hit from either from one of them. I think the biggest issue would be that cryo. Maybe. Who knows? Let's see if you die. Let's see if I die. Actually, Tsunami. Let me live. I got what I wished for. You're dead. Well, that means you're awakened, right? Yeah, if I remember correctly, awakens kind of fast. Nope. That was a crit. Montour just swept. I'll probably do a fourth battle. Yeah, I'm gonna do a fourth battle. Alright, let's hop into the next battle. Alright, hop into the third battle. Gonna have fun. Alright, looks like they have a spare you. No, yeah. I think that's you. No, that's you. Hatronix, Honeyhair, Seamstress, Chick Knives, which I hate, and Flask. The others look fine. I don't know why Flask is there. Probably for crystal wall. To set up the crystal wall, it's straight. I mean, I can probably send out Firebug. They do send out the Flask. Yeah. But here's the thing, I hit on the magic side. Reading your magic. So I'll just Ash. If I remember correctly, Moveset will be something like Dark Snatch, Crystal Cut, Swift Hug, or Daze. No, I think you have Daze. And then Swarm. How fast are you? I'm not going to Grimantle. I'm not going to Awaken yet. Dark Snatch, okay. I'm going to Hit and Run. Okay, that's good. I don't lose that. That's amazing. That was a crit. Reason why I said that's amazing because I can just go into you, and then I can set up my Awaken. They go into their Dark type. That's those. Yeah, that's you, right? Yeah, that's for you. That's honestly fine. But if they don't, I one shot this. Okay. This is now fine because now its team gets swarm damage. Besides you. So I'm just gonna go back into Grimantle. Didn't you stayed in? Yeah. This also to help me because I do waste the crystal type, the crystal wall. Unless they have blueprints, then yeah, that might be an issue. Here, okay, yeah, that's fine. I just hit and run. That was a crit. Still need Power Bug for Exo, so I can't really send out you. Dark Snatch, Crystal Cut, that's yours. Right now. I'm gonna go into Roterra. I'm gonna hit and run, and I mean I can kind of sacrifice Grimantle. They switch. I don't know who's that. Oh, that's you. That same night. I mean, seamstress. Okay, why would you? Honestly, this is just a free Aurora Flash. So yeah. Immune to your spirit at you use Crayon, so you probably use Scissor Guard. Yeah, Scissor Guard, and then Ghost move. I don't think you're gonna have a Dark type move. Yeah. Okay, that's you. This thing does kind of want me. Did it have Boomerang? Okay, I think that was Blueprints. I know this thing gets Dark Snatch. So I'm honestly just gonna sack off you. I can let this go down, and then I can switch into Party Bug. Poison Punch. Yeah, I'm gonna go into Party Bug. I'm just gonna Psycho Force. If they switch back into Spirit U, it's honestly fine. I really don't care that they stayed in. Yep. This one shots. Yep. Alright, since that's down, I don't really have to worry much about it. The only other two threats will be Hatchinix and Spirit U. Flash comes back out. I mean, that's fine. I can just Psycho Force. If you switch into Spirit U, that's honestly fine. You just take B damage, and I can just Fairy Fury the next turn. You do switch to Ash, yeah. That's honestly fine. They're really trying to get that crystal wall back up. Okay, here I'm gonna try to do something. They're obviously gonna Dark Slash, right? They 100% have to Dark Slash. So here I'm gonna go into Morville. Oh, they Dark Slash, yeah. Dark Slash, Crystal Cut. If you have a fighting type move, if you have Daze, something like that, it's somewhat of an issue, not too much. If you Swarm, that's actually good. It is actually good. I do not mind this. This just gives me a free miracle cannon. Yeah, they're faster than me. No, wait, that's priority. That's fine. You're not used crayons, so I don't know why you did that. The only switching would be to spray you or you. This probably tells me they don't have Swarm, which if they don't have Swarm, because like if they did, they would have clicked it last turn. Here I'm just going into Jelluminous, pretty much a wall to you, and you obviously didn't switch. Yeah. I mean, you switch automatically last turn. And Honey here is taking big damage, so I'm just gonna Roar Flash. Yep. You're just getting more chip damage. I wanna say I'm faster than this thing. 99. I wanna say I'm. Because I mean, I do need it. So I'm just gonna go into Party Bug. Seeds. That's honestly fine. I'm just gonna Fire Fury. I probably could have Lois, but yeah, I could have Lois, but I just want chip damage on this thing. Yeah, it's gonna get back its HP, but I mean, I can easily just switch into Morville. Fire Fury just in case they switch. To spare you? No, you. To Seamstress. That was a crit, wow. Honestly, finding this go down. The problem with the scissor guards to get back more HP, and if they do, I can just Noise Prayer. Noise Prayer is an Ingenism. The Shadow Nerk, okay. Shadow Nerk, Scissor Guard. Probably Spirit Claws or Big Vortex and Miracle Cannon or Iron Slash. So this is, a lot of information. So I can honestly just click Psycho Force here. Beast, yep. Okay, yeah, that's not enough. So I'm just gonna I think I should outspeed this thing, right? No, this thing's faster. Let me kill. Nice. That crit, okay, that crit probably matter. I'm not too sure, but that probably matter. go back into you. Okay, obviously that thing outspeed me. Here I'm just going to Morville. I mean, I think I can sack it off at this point. Like slash, you know. And then here, I mean, if they have Swarm, okay. But if they don't, I'm gonna see Spores, see what happens. Yeah, okay, they don't have Swarm. They send it fast. Okay, and I put that asleep. That's nice. Could stay in and just, you know, enlightenment, but this is Jelluminous video, so I'm just gonna go into you. I mean, that Spiriu is almost dead. Oh, they switched too. Okay. You're probably awakened. I can't sack off. Okay, if I live a night, I probably don't. You're probably awakened, right? Oh, they switch. Flask. It woke up, okay. I can just Psych Force. If you switch back into them, maybe faster. Fast is not that fast. Okay, nice. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, more. Yeah, you. I can honestly just align you back into Morville, cause you switched twice. Unless you're Ruby, actually. Now that I think about it, you might be Ruby. That was a crit. Since that was a crit, that means I should live a non-crit. Days again. Yep. Okay, nice. I didn't get confused. I think I should live another one. I should live another one. So you're yeah, you're most likely Ruby. Okay, yeah. Please don't. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so they're Ruby. Therefore they didn't take any damage. And they used days 3 times in a row. So they 100% have to be Ruby. Here I honestly just win with I should be able to win with Jelluminous. If they cycle not cycle, if they awaken right now, nice. I probably could Sleep Spore. Yeah. Snap out of it, snap out of it, snap out of it. Nice. I was expecting them to attack me. Okay. I need them to yeah, I need them to enlightenment again. Cause I can please. Damn it. So your enlightenment, what? You're probably heal. And then with your Cone of Cold. Enlightenment, Cone of Cold. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, you're not gonna be that fast then, right? Since you're mostly built on bulk. So here I'm gonna hit and run. Go into the original plan was hit and run. Go into Montour, sacrifice that, switch back into Terra, and that should be enough to, you know, let me kill it. But this works too. This is honestly just a free Aurora Flash at this point. Even if you scissor guard, you won't do that much. They forfeit. I win overall. I don't want to make this too long, so if it's let's see. I'll probably make a fourth battle if the video is not too long. So we'll see. All right, well that's gonna be enough. That's gonna end up this video. Jelluminous. Listen, I mean, it's actually pretty good. I say. Sadly, there was no road terrors or gremlins. But overall, I think it's still be pretty good, especially if it's a ground type. So, I mean, I think it's pretty good. You can probably make this a bit more like damage output. It will be cool if it got if we get Emerald sooner or later. It will be kind of funny to have a max attack ish with Emerald, but let's see. That'll be funny. Overall, if you guys liked the video, leave a like, subscribe. Shout out to Pepega for making dumb though. I'll leave his Twitter down in the description down below. Join my Discord server if you want to. I'll also leave in the description. And until next time, Shadow out.